severe thunderstorm warning for...
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lasalle County in north-central Illinois, Livingston County in central Illinois, southwestern Guernsey County in northeastern Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Minooq to near El Paso, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Streeter, Pontiac, Dwight, Seneca, Gridley, Flanagan, Odell, Cornell, Sonderman, Ransom, Rutland, Kangley, Long Point, Verona, Dana, Emmington, and Kinsman, including the following Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 221. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago